Hello students, welcome back again to online class of science for class 5th. Student, in our last video we had covered the explanation part of the circulatory system. Now in this video we will cover the exercises of this chapter. Our first exercise is tick the correct answer. Part A, in 1 minute the heart beats. Options are 70 to 72 times, 60 to 69 times, 40 to 45 times or 90 to 95 times. So students, in 1 minute the heart beats 70 to 72 times. So tick this. Part B, blood cells include RBC, WBC, platelets or all of them. Blood cells include all these three components: RBC, WBC and platelets. So tick all of them. Part C is blood vessels are arteries, veins, capillaries. So tick all of them, as arteries, veins and capillaries are all blood vessels. Part D, blood vessels with thick muscular walls are arteries. So tick arteries. Part E, blood flows in jerks in veins, arteries, capillaries or all of them. So the correct answer is arteries. Number 2 is write true or false. Part A, plasma is a yellowish fluid. Yes, it is a yellowish fluid. So this is true. Part B, WBCs help in blood clotting. So student, this is false because platelets help in blood clotting. So write down false. Part C, veins carry blood from body organs to the heart. This is true. D, the heart has 2 chambers. This is false, as the heart has 4 chambers. Part E, the septum prevents mixing of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. Yes, this is true. So write down true. Is fill in the blanks. A is the right dash receives deoxygenated blood from the right auricle. The answer is ventricle. Part B, dash gives blood its red color. So student, it's hemoglobin. Part C, in the heart the dash lies above the dash. So in the heart the auricle lies above the ventricle. Part D, the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle is pumped into the dash and is transported to lungs by the dash. So its answer is pulmonary aorta and pulmonary arteries. Part E, when both auricles and ventricles are dash, the auricles get filled with blood. So when they are relaxed, the auricle. Now we will move forward to question answers. Part A is explain the structure of heart. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. The heart is divided into 2 halves by a thick muscular wall, this is called septum. Each half has an auricle above and a ventricle below. Part B is how are arteries different from veins. So student, arteries are thick and muscular walls, whereas veins are thin walls. Arteries carry blood away from heart and veins carry blood from body organs to heart. Part C, name the 3 types of blood cells. Write their functions. 3 types of blood cells are: first, red blood cells, RBC. They contain hemoglobin that gives red color to blood. Second, white blood cells, WBC. They defend the body against infections. Third, blood platelets. They help to stop bleeding by clotting of blood. Part D is explain the working of the heart and the circulation of blood. So the answer is right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from all body parts and left auricle receives oxygenated blood from lungs by pulmonary veins. As we know that valves of auricles open and blood from left auricle comes into the left ventricle and from right auricle to right ventricle. When both auricles and ventricles contract, oxygenated blood is pumped into aorta from left ventricle to arteries. Deoxygenated blood is then pumped into pulmonary aorta by right ventricle and sent to lungs for further oxygenation. Part E is write three functions of the blood. Three functions of blood are: first, it provides food and oxygen to every body cell. Number 2, it removes waste from the cells. And number 3 is it protects the body against infection. Next question is, what are capillaries? So students, capillaries are finest blood vessels connecting arteries to veins. Next question, define heartbeat. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the auricles and ventricle is known as heartbeat. Next section is HOTS. HOTS means high order thinking skill. So its question is, which blood cells are called soldiers of the body? So as we all know, they are white blood cells, means WBCs. White blood cells are called soldiers of the body. So students, I hope that you might have understood the whole exercise part of the chapter. Now for homework, you have to learn and write these exercises in your notebook. That's all for now. Thank you and have a nice day.